Google Maps holds over 200 million business listings, names, addresses, phone numbers, websites, full review data, and much more. In this video, I'll show you how to extract any slice of that data and export it in your preferred format with no code. Head to Apify and open the Google Maps scraper. The link is in the description. On this page, you'll find the full actor documentation. New accounts get $5 in free credit every month. That's 5,000 businesses and no card required to sign up. Click try for free to open the input form. In the search field, enter your keywords. We're running 2 searches: pizza restaurants and coffee shops in New York. Max results per query is set to 50. With 2 queries, that gives us up to 100 businesses. The reviews section lets you include reviews and extract review text, photos, author profiles, dates, and owner responses for every place. You can also sort by most relevant or by date. The add-ons section can extract contacts, emails, phone numbers, and job listings from each business website using AI. There's also a browser fallback for JavaScript-heavy sites. When you're ready, click Save and Start. The actor spins up in the cloud and you can watch results stream in through the log. It handles pagination, retries, and proxy rotation automatically. Runs finish anywhere from a few seconds up to a few minutes, depending on how much detail you request. Open the Dataset tab when the run completes. Each row is a business: name, full address, phone number, website, star rating, full review data, category, opening hours, and GPS coordinates. Over 30 fields per location. Hit the Export button and choose from 7 formats: CSV, JSON, Excel, XML, JSONL, HTML table, and RSS. You can also pull data directly via the API or pipe it into automation workflows using Zapier, Make, or N8N. Here are the top 5 ways people actually use Google Maps data. Number 1. B2B Lead Generation. Filter businesses by category and location, then focus on the ones with strong ratings but no website. These are successful shops with real budgets ready to hire you. Number 2. Competitor analysis. Pull the top 50 businesses for your keyword and city, then study the leaders. Ratings, review counts, and busy hours reveal exactly what is working for them. Number 3. Location and market research. Before opening a new store or buying real estate, map competitor density. Find neighborhoods with strong demand but few players. Number 4. Local SEO Outreach. Find businesses with low review counts or incomplete profiles, then pitch them optimization services with a personalized report. Number 5. Review and sentiment analysis. Scrape thousands of competitor reviews and detect service gaps. Turn every complaint about pricing or service into your own selling point. Got questions about this actor, or ideas for a new scraper, or something is not working the way you expect? Leave a comment below. If this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up and subscribe with the bell so you never miss the next scraper. The Google Maps scraper is live on Apify right now. Links are in the description. Start with your $5 free, no card required.